Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Sweatcoin to Sweat Wallet. Let's begin. So once you've opened up Sweatcoin, you're going to go to the top right corner and then select your balance. Now at the top, it's going to show you your balance, but at the moment I have 0 Sweatcoins. So if you just go directly beneath that, you're going to see you've missed that amount. Start earning crypto while walking. So you are going to select the arrow pointing to the right. And it says here Sweat, the token. Sweat is a crypto token that rewards you for your steps. Join over 13 million people around the world that are currently moving to earn Sweat. So you are going to go to the bottom right corner and then select next. Then you can also read that so you can get real crypto. You can exchange, trade, send, earn, and get rewards with Sweat, just like other crypto tokens. So next again, and then earning Sweat. Walk at least 3,000 steps to start earning Sweat and earn it up for up to 10,000 steps daily. Premium users can earn up to 20,000 steps. Let's get moving. And then go to the bottom right corner, then select opt in now. Then it's going to ask you to download the Sweat Wallet app. So once you're done downloading Sweat Wallet, you're going to open it. So once you've created your account in Sweat Wallet, it's going to say in order to access Sweat Wallet, you have to create a wallet account by opting into crypto. So you're going to select opt into crypto. And then once you're done creating your account, it's going to show you this. So it's going to show you your total balance from your Sweatcoins. So there you go. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you and I'll see you in the next one.